Howdy howdy howdy. I am Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist, Tim Rose bro, and this is Art World Geeks, inspired by, where I discuss a work that inspires my art practice. In this episode, we'll look at the 2001 installation, One Accord, by the artist James Turrell. Turrell was born in Pasadena, California, United States, in 1943. The artist is known for his 2013 work, At 10 Rain, at the Guggenheim Museum, New York, in which he created an immersive elliptical that used light and color and was incorporated into the museum's rotunda. One Accord is an example of his roof installations that allow a view of the sky through an opening in the ceiling. This installation is featured at the Live Oak Friends Meeting House in Houston, Texas. This work inspires me to think about the architectural possibilities inherent in my own artwork. Until next time, I'm Little Timmy Rose, avatar for artist, Tim Rose bro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on social media and the web at Art World Geek.